Hello! Welcome to Skyline 2050. Thanks to our initiatives around the world and everyone's commitment, we've now achieved carbon neutrality, and we owe it all to our pioneers. It all began back in 2021 in Kocaeli, Turkey on the Kriso site. This is where our teams of experts work tirelessly in highly sophisticated labs to create new admixtures and additive solutions, essential components for increasingly more sophisticated concretes. Back then, Neşe and the R&D teams were convinced that if they wanted to reduce their carbon footprint even further, they needed to take on a major challenge, creating a new generation of admixtures. A generation with identical properties, of course, but which would make it possible to produce concrete, cement screeds, and even plaster while consuming much less energy during the manufacturing process. It was time for our experts to find the formula, so they started testing.
We chose to study on high-performance admixture that's often used to make concrete more fluid, PCPs.
The tests were extremely time-consuming because they were first conducted in the chemistry lab, then in the concrete lab, and then in the production lab if the results were promising. And finally,
We found it.
of course, as we've said before in other episodes, all of our good formulas must remain secret, so we won't say more. We'll simply say, it worked!
We used the same raw material and recipe for the production phase, but our new process allowed us to optimize the heating and cooling cycle.
The manufacturing time was reduced as well. Bravo!
We use 15% less energy in each production cycle, which means a reduction of 84 kg of carbon dioxide.
This success opened up other amazing possibilities, like optimizing the production of all the other products. But that's another story. Check back to Skyline 2050 soon to see other pioneers.